How to customize style in Amazon shopping. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see a profile icon. Tap on your profile icon. Here on the left top, you can see a profile icon again. Tap on it and simply double tap on it. So we're in this account settings. Here on the top, you can see clothing and shoes. Simply tap on it. Now slowly scroll down. Here, there's an option called style size. Simply tap on it. So here there are different options like tops, bottoms and dresses. Tap on add, and here there are different sizes that are available. So basically you can enter your size and here select the one that you want to change or you want to add. At last simply tap on save and you'll be done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.